Okay, imagine this is you and this is your stuff. Have you heard of civil asset forfeiture? No? It's a mouthful, right? Well, to some folks, it's also known as a cash grab or policing for profit. Why? Well, civil asset forfeiture is a legal process where law enforcement can take your property and keep it, regardless of whether or not you are ever charged with a crime. The original purpose of civil asset forfeiture was to prevent people from keeping property that they acquired through or used for criminal activity. Unfortunately, it's also been used against innocent people to take property that they got legally, and it can be a maze of red tape and obstacles to get their stuff back. Here's how it works. Let's say you're on a road trip and you're pulled over for a routine traffic stop. If the cop is suspicious of you, your whereabouts, or the legality of your profession, he or she can seize your property. By property, we mean your car, your phone, your cash, your guitar, your computer, your house, you name it, they can take it. And here's the kicker. You don't even need to be charged with a crime in order for law enforcement to keep your stuff, because the claim is filed against your stuff. If law enforcement takes your property, you'll have to go to court and prove that your property was acquired legally or was not used in a crime. If you can't go to court to defend your property, or if you don't have proof that your stuff is innocent, you may lose it for good. While seizure is legal under Texas and national law, the law is often abused because law enforcement has incentive to abuse it. If they win, they often get to keep your stuff. And they win a lot because most folks don't have the money or the time to fight to get their property back. In some states, money from forfeited property can be used for police salaries, office supplies, even trips. This abuse of seizure is unlawful, and if you can prove it in court that your property was wrongfully seized, the court will rule in your favor. It's a pretty tough situation, but you can fight civil asset forfeiture in court. While you don't have the right to a free court-appointed attorney, organizations like the ACLU, the State Bar of Texas, and local legal aid groups may be able to help you find free or low-cost legal help. If you can't hire an attorney, you can fight forfeiture yourself. Without the experience of a lawyer, it may be tough, but check out our next video for tips on how to argue your case, or go to endforfeitureabusetx.org for some helpful tools.